how to change Yahoo Mail signature on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change your Yahoo Mail signature? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up your Yahoo Mail app, then go to the Mail option on the top left. Head over to Settings, then scroll down, and then under General, you'll find the signature option. Just tap on it. And then you can see the signature sent from Yahoo Mail for iPhone. Just tap on it and you can completely erase it. And then you can put in your name, you can put in regards, and then you can put in your name. And there you go, your Yahoo Mail signature has been changed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.